Now I'm flexing like the jack of all trades. Yeah. And shout out my dog Andre. He a jack of all trades.
Alright guys, so I'm in my 2009 Scion XB, and let's just say you're having a problem with the lights in your control knobs, okay? And you want to know how to get to this, or you have a problem when you turn it, it's not working properly or something like that, and you want to replace one. I'm going to show you how to take everything off to get to these. It's not too bad, but technically what you're going to do is you're going to pull this part off. All right, I already have it loose, and then you're going to disconnect the flasher here. Right here, you're going to disconnect it. The wire is like right here. And all you do is just press down on it right here. Okay, so you put that down. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to pull off the radio bezel here. Just going to pull it and pull it hard, and it'll come off. It's just little clips. Okay, pull that off. So the next thing you're going to do is pull off this bottom part right here. This part just pulls off. Just grab it. Pull that whole piece off right there. All right, so once you get that bottom piece off right there, you're going to take you a plastic pry tool, stick it right here in this corner. Let's see. Or start up under here like that. See that? See how I pop that loose? All right. Now, it's up under this piece here, okay? So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to pull it all the way loose like that. And then when you pull it loose, take this screw out right here, which will give you room to move this up so that you can pull this out. Let's get a screwdriver. All right, so we're going to take this Phillip head out. Let's see. Just like that. Let's put this up here. And now we have room. See that? We can move this now. And what we're going to do is pull this, hold it, and then pull this from up under it. All right, I can't do it with one hand, but you're just going to pull this, and then when you pull this, this is going to come from under it. Just look, you can see how loose it is. See that? So just hold it. Don't break it. Just hold it up and pull it out. All right, let's get it out. All right, see, it's nothing in there. It does have a clip, you know, like right there, but once you lift it up, you can just pull it out. See, the clip goes right here. It's not underneath here. This lip is underneath this part. All right, so now we have this whole piece out, and basically what we're gonna have to do is shift this out of park to get it out of the way so that we can pull this all the way out. All right, so I got the shifter all the way down. I got the brake up too, just in case. But now you can kind of just pull this all the way out and kind of look at it. See? So basically, to pull this out, we just got to pull all these clips off for these wires. See that? Just pull this one off, push down on it right here and pull it out. Same thing with that one. Push it in right there and pull that out. And this one's the same way. Push down on it right here and pull that out. Let's do that. All right, so we got all the clips loose. So the one in the middle doesn't matter, but the ones on the end, this one and that one, they have the cable that goes to it that does not disconnect. So you have to get like a little tool, little small flathead screwdriver, stick up under here and pull up on this plastic and pull this whole piece out. This whole thing will come out. It's one here, clip there, and let's see, it's one underneath also, like right there. So it's two of them. And what we're gonna do is pull those loose. All right, so I pulled it out. You see that? Whole thing comes out. Same thing with the one on this side. It's right here. Stick something up under there, and then as soon as you put it on there, just pull it out. All right. See, same thing. See how I got it out? It just comes right out. Now you set that off to the side. See, now you have the whole piece loose. The only thing is holding it is this little clip here. And you can probably pull this off by hand. Let me see. Yep, just like that. Alright, so now we have this whole piece right here. See? So if you need to replace that one because it's damaged, see, it pops out the same way. Stick something in the side right there, pull that whole piece out, it just comes out. Alright, so we have this one, which is the select, you know, like the floor or your body or the windshield, and this one that goes on the other side, this is the actual heating and cooling one. All right, so right now it's all the way, see that little white clear spot right there, it's all the way on the heat on this one, and then on this one we're going to turn it all the way just like that one. I'm going to turn it all the way to the windshield, so at least we know where they are. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this apart. Remember, it's like this. So I'm going to pop those clips out. We're going to see if we can take this apart. Okay, so all I did was push down on that clip and this whole piece popped out. Let's see. Yeah, see that? So you got to make sure you put it back in the right orientation though. Because the way that this is turned and then the way that this is turned, it might go in where, you know, you put it in the wrong way and the windshield is now on this side. When you turn it, it has to go on that side to go to the windshield. So you got to make sure that you put it back in the right orientation. But yeah, it just came right out. Looks like it only goes in there one way though. It's keyed. You see that? It's keyed. So technically, you should know how to put it on because it's keyed. You see? This thing's keyed. See the keys? It only goes on one way. So you'll be able to figure it out. That's pretty cool. This thing came off very easily. So the same thing will be with this one. You just push in those white clips, just push it in. As soon as you push it in, it comes off. It's easy. So if you ever need to change your knobs for your heat, for, you know, the areas where you want the heat or the air to come out, which is this switch right here, you can switch these things out. Go to the junkyard, get you another one, or probably go on eBay and buy you one. I'll have some links on eBay where you can get these. You may be able to even get it on Amazon. This one right here is 55901. Yep. 55901. This one right here is 55902. And then this one right here is 55903. That's the part numbers to them. So if you need them, I'll have them in the descriptions. And I mean, technically, it's really self-explanatory how to put everything back together. I might snap it back together so that you can see, but it wasn't really hard. You just snap everything back together, put everything back. It's more hard. It was harder trying to take it apart. All right. So basically, just do it in the reverse order. All right, guys. This is J.O.A.T.D. and I'm out.